Microsoft Teams is one of the popular video conferencing solutions that's being used by businesses. One of its key strengths is that it integrates well with Office 365 products, making collaboration work on certain files quite easy. Although this is a solid performing platform, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this video, we will tackle the Microsoft Teams microphone not working issue. Choose the correct microphone from the Microsoft Teams setting. The first thing you will need to do in this case is to make sure to use the correct microphone. Click on your profile icons. This is located on the upper right part of the Teams software. Click on Settings. This will open a new settings window. Click on Devices. This can be found on the left pane. Choose the correct microphone. This can be done on the microphone drop-down box. Allow apps to access your microphone in Windows 10. There's a possibility that apps are prevented from accessing the microphone. You can easily change this from the privacy settings. Click on the Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy. Click on Microphone. This can be found at the left pane. Turn on the switch for Allow apps to access your microphone. Run the Recording Audio Troubleshooter. Windows 10 has a built-in tool that can fix most of the common audio-related issues that you might experience. Try using this tool. Click on the Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Update on Security. Click on Troubleshoot. This can be found at the left pane. Click on Recording Audio. This can be found at the right pane. Under the Find and Fix Other Problems section, click on Run the Troubleshooter, then follow the on-screen instructions. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.